In this tutorial video we will show you how to resubmit if your OTR is rejected by NPSC. Log into your account and navigate to Dashboard or OTR. Click on Resubmit or View. Scroll down to OTR statuses. View the remark or reason of OTR rejection, and resubmit as per the remarks with correct and proper data and relevant documents. Now click on Resubmit to proceed. Now correct all necessary informations and documents as applicable. For example, re-uploading Class 10 admit card. Once the correction is done, you can confirm and submit again. This is how you can resubmit the OTR application again. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.